Hello everyone, myself Subhangi Sinha, journalist intern at Shubh University Maclan Samiti, and the topic is Union Budget 2022. The Union Budget 2022 to 2023 was presented by the Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitaram, on February 1st, 2022, focused mainly on the technology and infrastructure sector. The 2022 budget also offered provision for health and education for the upliftment of common man. The Union Budget 2022 to 2023 also gave a broad idea of Indian GDP and stability during the time of COVID-19. It also proposed new allotment for almost every sector to cultivate growth in the subcontinent. In the following articles, we will looking into some of the highlights on the Union Budget for the financial year 2022 to 2023. Direct and indirect tax. New provision for filing and update return on payment of additional tax. The return can be filled within a 2 year from the end of the relevant assessment year. Income generated from a virtual digital assets transfer will be taxed at 30%. The budget did not propose any new changes in the prevailing personal income tax rate. For the state government employees, the tax deduction limit has been increased from 10% to 14% on the employee's contribution to the NPS account. Sectors such as chemical, metal, and textile will be simplified customer rate. No customer duty to charge on a simply 7 diamonds. There is a 5% cut on the customer duty on the cut on the polished diamonds. Budget allocation. As per the budget, the total capital expenditure will be increased by 35.4%, which will be increased from the previous rupees 4.34 lakh crore to rupees 7.50 lakh crore this financial year. 50-year interest-free loan of rupees 1 lakh crore will be awarded to state assistance in the funding of the investment related to PM Gati Shakti. Agriculture. The budget made allotment to promote funds to the purpose of the blending finance for the sunrising opportunities. These may include agri-tech climate action. etc. This fund will be generated through NABARD, which will be reach financial startups working towards agriculture and run enterprises. Farmers can easily seek help from these startups and gather technical learning from FPOs. The government will take considerate steps to promote chemical-free farming in India. The government will help in launching the delivery of high-tech service to farmers. The minimum support price for farmers would be directly transferred into the bank account. Education. The budget proposed the establishment of a digital university, means for online education. It will be mainly focused on information, communication and technology with the help of hub and spoke model. As per the new guidelines of a new economic policy, a large part of GDP will support promoting education. Around 6% of GDP